Hi everyone, let's make a short update on what happened everything here and where we're standing right now. Things are moving pretty fast, so kind of keeping it up with the videos is kind of a hassle, but yeah, it still makes fun. So let me show you what has happened here. We're starting in the upper floors, so I've laid down the flooring with vinyl. This here, it's pretty cool. You can cut it with a cutter or a really sharp knife, and then just break it. So you don't need special tools for anything. And even if you make really thin cuts, you can take this and break it off. Also, I laid down something like this here. It's a silent mat, I would say, because we've got here 7 millimeters in height. So with the foil I'm laying down, 2 millimeters plus 5 millimeters vinyl, it will be even. So that would be nice. And yeah, laid down the flooring, try to finish mostly of the electrical part, and also I have I'm not sure what the English word was, but lasur. I've kind of oiled the wood here so it looks a little bit better. Also, I need to paint around the climatization, and I've used acrylate so it looks a little bit better, but still need some painting there. Also around here, and that's mostly here. Also, I need for the flooring I'm not sure how they are called, the Sockelleiste, and for every room, but mostly we are getting pretty far now. Here's also the electrical part done. I can switch on the lights in a different room. I tested the lights; they are working, and yeah. Also, I cut out this part because when you check it here, we've got the slope, and since we need every space we can get, I cut it out. There will be some hinges and little doors, I would say, and then we can store some stuff under there. Also, I prepared the electric for also outlets, which will be inside here, and but maybe for, but I don't know. I just prepared it. And yes, that's the part here. On Thursday, the stairs will be installed, so then I can finish this flooring here. Pretty happy about that. Here the bedroom part. Crazy. I'm somehow missing a few power outlets, so I need to order them, and then we'll get through here as well. But here's also the flooring done. Pretty nice. I oiled up the wood, acrylated the climatization, and we're getting in a pretty cool area now. The bathroom. Okay, I need to clean up here a little bit, but we have some problems still with the toilet. There's some bigger gaps than I wanted because this kind of crooked gap. We need to check that. Also, for these parts here, this needs to be changed a little bit because the butts are too wide, too far inside. I can show it to you in the downstairs bathroom, but I installed the light in here. Need to check it next time. Also, yeah, installed most of the parts. I can finish up the LED strips under here, so it will light pretty well here. And yeah, the sanitary installed this thing, but I'm not sure. When I pressure it a little bit, maybe it's not completely screwed down, or in the end maybe we need some buffering here. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Also the power outlets there, LED strips will be done there. This is not done yet. Let's continue in the bottom part. So now here, nothing much changed here. On Thursday the stairs will be installed. Here hasn't changed much. I laid down the flooring. I didn't use that silent mat here because we are directly on the floor and I've never laid it on the perfect surface. That's the part, to be honest, I recommend doing. In the end, I think in the upper stairs I should have done it as well to have it even more simpler laying out the flooring because here it was pretty good and upstairs it was, I don't know, kind of hard. But well, okay, here hasn't changed much. I cleaned up a little bit in the garden. Flooring is here as well. There was pretty much wood there. The dad of my girl took it away to burn it, and yeah, that's the part of the kitchen. Flooring is, I'm not sure if I showed you the flooring yet, but yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy that we are in that state. And yeah, I needed to clean up the whole room here. Somehow I need to get everything out of here and put it here because also when we are moving, I still need to clean here pretty much to put it on the shelves and so on. And yeah, and also I need to paint the ceiling here so we can install a so it will be everything clean in here and I can install a washing machine here without a problem so we can, when we move, have a functioning washing machine. Yes, this part here, this is kind of okay. Everything good here. When I'm pressuring, it's not that much of a burden here. This is working. This is everything done. Everything all right. We've got the ventilation there, and yeah, I'm mostly pretty happy. We still need the mirror, but yeah, we'll see that. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.